I don't want it all on me.
It's not all on you. It's some on you.
Okay.
It's okay. What's wrong? Okay, now I'm doing the free hand. Not like I was driving or anything.
Beth.
Carrie insisted.
So the girl in the red shirt is the driver. She's trying to take her left shoulder out of the frame.
So let's have a serious chat, ladies.
Uh-oh.
I don't know what to chat about. I don't know. I don't know.
We're talking about Chinese food.
Wow.
Woo! Wee!
Hey, do you remember when we went to oh my gosh, did you come with me when we went to Atlanta?
Yeah.
And the restaurant was called This Is It.
We're like, is it? Is this it?
This is
It's not. We went outside to the picture. We're like,
This is it.
we're here, guys.
Restaurant names are crazy.
Wow.
This is it.
Whoa,
This
I
is
saw
Park
that picture.
Place over here. Park Place has a wide variety of.
But we came here from
things too.
McDonald's.
Huh?
That was a
No.
McDonald's we came.
Oh, yes, it was. That's
Because I remember
on
we
Friday
were making
night.
fun of
That's
the
right, that's
Park
right.
Place sound like Monopoly.
Yeah. No, that's probably why they did it. Oh, gee.
You know, I used to work at
See a Transformer
LA
there?
Fitness,
Transfer.
and when I was,
You don't feel the transformer.
I'm not listening to this girl talking about more robots. She don't know robots out here. Anywho,
Oh, God.
I remember when I used to work at LA Fitness. I was talking to somebody who went to the gym. How he goes to what's it called? Planet Fitness.
Oh, yeah.
He can't stand the people at LA Fitness. I was like, at where? Yeah, you said you work where at LA Fitness, right?
Outlet Fitness?
I
Did
said,
he say-
sir, it's
did-
called LA.
No. He did not say
Fitness.
La Fitness.
Like it's French.
La Fitness. Oh my God.
You stayed going to the gym.
La Fitness.
And I said I worked at LA Fitness.
It reminds me. So, men. When you have a man that talks like, doesn't it? It's unattractive when men speak unintelligible. No, I can't say the word. Okay.
Yes.
When they make grammatical errors.
Yes.
In their speech, in their communication, whether it be they're sending you a text, and I understand we used to live in a generation where there was only a certain amount of characters you could include in text, and so we did short forms. But now there's absolutely no excuse.
There's
you can put an
none.
essay in a text, and it's fine. But it's like 160 words, and there's no period.
Yes.
No comma?
No commas.
No exclamation mark, no question mark, nothing. And you have to guess. Are you asking me a question? Are you making a statement? And then you don't even know I before E except after C. You don't know.
I can't.
Enough is
I
not
cannot.
spelled ENUFF.
Stop it. There's only one F in it. There's only one F.
To me, when men make grammatical errors, even in speaking, when they sound like the La Fitness, it should be LA Fitness. Like, seriously? Seriously?
It is all a lie, my sister.
It's so unattractive to me. It's so. How do you ladies feel about that?
I correct them. If we're having a conversation,
Yes.
I correct them and I put a little asterisk on the side.
Do you
to
really?
let them know that you used the wrong there.
I always say I believe you meant to say.
Oh no, you take
this.
too long. That's too much characters.
I'm so sorry.
Look at
I apologize.
At there, THERE.
R-E?
That will be put into the sentence, and I'll say THEEI. There, because it's a possession, not a spot. So, you know what I mean?
Wow. Yeah.
I understand there's lots of options, but at the end of the day, no. Wait, is this all full circle?
Is it full circle?
No.
So then, no,
Continue. No, I'm good. I have to stretch. No, seriously.
She has a breakfast.
I have a breakfast.
So she needs a cane. You'll hear that story afterwards.
No, you will not.
I can tell
You
you.
will, no.
I can tell it.
No. You will not.
Oh, I'm gonna tell the story.
So
About
she's
the
not.
time
She's
when
not
Kira used to
like
dance with us.
Let me
permanently
put the
disabled.
window down because I
It's
need
just
to be aware
temporary.
of what you are saying
Temporarily
right now.
disabled. You don't need the cane. You need the cane, right?
No, I'll stand right. I'm close. I'm close to the car.
You sure? You sure?
Yeah. See? Right here.
Okay.
Right here.
Oh my god, the angle. There's her hand. She's
I'm good.
Yeah, no. Like,
Yeah,
brush
I
up
just
on your
correct them.
English.
I can't be bothered. And if they continue to not get it,
Yeah.
if they don't get it, I don't bother to respond back or talk to them further. Not all the time, just in some cases. Like sometimes they're already annoying and I can't be bothered. But
Yeah.
more times if I like you, I'll help you out a little bit. You know?
Yeah.
I'm not the best speaker either, don't get me wrong, or speller. But if I'm gonna text something and I'm not sure how to spell it, I'll put in brackets SP dot, like meaning
Right.
like do your own spell
No,
check.
yeah.
But I hope you get the gist of what I'm trying to say.
But you know, like, okay, you could make an error here and there because there's also autocorrect that just messes you up.
Sometimes it doesn't want to autocorrect. Sometimes it'll
Or-
just take it like you want to
well-
put this spelling. You want to put this version in your dictionary?
Yeah.
No problem.
Right.
Yeah.
You know, you have them one-offs, but when you see consistently that this person is just their English is they act like English is their second language, then something is seriously wrong.
And they were born in North York. That's a city in Toronto. I'm not sure who's watching, but just think of a small local city.
Oh my god. Yeah. It's pretty bad. It's a turn off for me. I'll correct, but it's a turn off. Like it's done. I can't do it. I don't know that. I just can't do it. I don't care how attractive you are. You look stupid. Was that too harsh?
I'll still give you a bly, but I'm saying like after like 12 times of talking about there and there, like there's a difference. You know what I mean?
Let's talk about
Or there, like THEY apostrophe RE.
yeah.
There's even confusions in that.
There.
And that's small. This is one example.
There.
I don't want to sound petty or like, you know, but it's on the list of things that where you're attracted to somebody. Because if I want to have kids, I'll just leave it there. I'll be honest. I needed help with my English when I was in high school, where the teacher allowed me to do like a pre-draft before the rough draft and then my final draft. So I got to do an extra step in this class because certain words were messing up in my head. I want to say it's like slight dyslexia, like certain letters would flip around. Like for the longest time, I
had
was
that.
calling it Biscotti.
Yeah.
And you couldn't tell me that it was not Biscotti, because that's what I wanted to eat. Was Biscotti. Yeah, Biscotti and meatball. Biscotti. P.S. Ketty. Yeah. That's how you spell it. Biscotti. Mm.
Nice.
And
Why?
I just listen.
The tendon.
I'm gonna come
The tendon.
What is happening right now?
We both are like,
So we're at the Costco gas station right now, right? And these two individuals, employees of the establishment, were at the gas bar at Costco, and they were in a conversation for about 7 to 9 minutes. You understand? Okay. And one of them decided to walk past in front of the car. So, pivot, turn over there. Don't say no words. Come back this side and walk.
They just need to make sure that everything's okay.
Look now. She's gonna make excuses for this girl.
They're making sure everything is okay.
Why should they come check if our car's okay?
Well, she's now having full conversation with the
she's
the
talking to
other
other
driver.
people. I should take out this phone and show the people at home what we're enduring right now. I'm just saying. Watch now. Her next birthday is gonna pass right by the car. Now that's gonna same picture. Watch.
See, she's doing her job.
She's not doing her job because she's walked right past us.
Yeah,
You're in a break. She didn't even ask if you needed
What are we
help.
doing? What are they doing?
Watch now.
They just know they have to make sure that like the cars are moving flowing and there's nothing that needs. Hey,
She only said hi because Carrie said hi.
irrelevant. I have manners
But they're not even saying, "Oh, do you have a Costco card?" Nothing.
They don't
like that.
need
You
to.
just go up.
because I already have my card. They don't need to ask me. If I didn't have my card, I can call them over and I can say hi. I do
Oh,
not
but
have my
you.
card today.
Oh, you need
Yeah.
your card to swipe or
You need
something.
your card stuff. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I didn't know.
Because it's for Costco members, right?
So.
work, eh?
Oh my God! Bennett's watching the.
I am watching her.
Why are you so wrong?
Don't watch me watch TV.
Oh my
I'm
word.
just saying. Now there's liquid debris falling from the sky.
Did you say Deb? She said Debris, not the breeze. Debris.
It's debris.
Debris.
Oh my
Debris.
God.
I
Remember that
apologize.
there, and there?
Yeah.
We're talking about.
Is
Wouldn't
that
I
what
know
you're talking
you?
about?
If we're
Debris.
dating,
Debris.
and all
Oh
of a sudden
my
I'm
gosh.
gonna sound like I'm educated
You
and
know
start
what?
using words. You understand?
Let me educate you.
The people at home, you know what
True,
I'm speaking
it's
about.
True. That
Before
is
I
so
just say
true.
rain, I'm gonna say liquid debris, like I'm fancy.
Liquid-
You understand? Okay.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
I'm just saying. we're just stemming
Liquid
off of our
debris.
topic of. Remember,
What was the topic? What was the topic?
miracle.
What?
Oh my God, my son!
What was it? What?
When men make grammatical errors
yes,
in their
grammatical errors. That's
speech,
grammatical.
or is it communication?
Grammatical? Is it grammatical? Grammatical errors?
Grammatical.
Liquid debris, miss out.
Saying liquid
Okay.
debris, which is
No, I'm saying liquid.
debris.
You're lucky I don't say
Yes.
liquid.
Liquid.
Liquid debris. That sounds like
Listen, let me tell you how.
Girl, we're going out with our girl Liquid tonight, boy.
Liquid.
And just gonna say debris. Liquid and
debris.
that's what the Chinese restaurant.
I know Chinese food.
Liquid debris.
My name is Liquid, and I'll be serving you today.
Oh, my name is Debris. What you want?
know.
What you want? But why do we always
You want
have an
Chinese?
I know, don't want the Chinese. Do y'all have lasanga?
Get out right
Lasanga.
now.
I want lasanga.
Oh, my son. No, disclaimer, we're not making fun of
Wow.
Americans. We're just saying
No,
the name.
no.
Well,
No, we're not.
we
I am not.
There's no
I am just
apostrophe
saying,
in French or
There was
Latin.
literally
Sorry, guys.
someone
we
that
love you.
said, I'm going to order the lasanga. And the waiter said, I'm so sorry. What? The lasanga. I want the lasanga.
Sanjana.
Lasagna?
Sanjana. Lasanjana.
True story. True story.
Lasanjana, liquida, liquid,
Liquid.
and
Did you say lasangia?
Lasangia.
Lasagna. Liquida and Debris.
I'm telling you,
Liquid
that's our
and
name.
Debris.
I am weak.
Liquid.
That's French, boo.
I know. Let's go.
Oh,
Let's go to Chinese food.
I feel like having some
I know.
Chinese food.
At where? Chinese food.
So what's the restaurant called?
Chinese food.
What's wrong with this girl?
Okay, I know that's what we're having, but what is the restaurant
You know,
called?
liquid. This is why we don't bring you no place.
I know.
What? Excuse me, Debris. Excuse me, Debris.
Yes, please. Can I help you?
Oh,
my gosh.
Sorry, man. You're laughing too because you know somebody with that name.
Liquid and
Liquid.
Debris. Oh, Lord. Help
What was
me.
the other one?
Lasagna.
Huh?
Lasagna.
No, you said.
Debris and Liquid.
And I just said the lasagna or what?
Lasagna? What you say?
What you say?
Wait, lasagna? I don't know now. See?
See?
I'm trying
The
not
original
to say, I'm
was-
trying not to say lasagna.
I know. The original was lasanga.
Lasanga.
No,
Yes.
but you said something
Lasagna.
else.
Oh my god, my head is hurting me.
I don't know. Let's keep
You'd have,
lasagna.
you'd have to remind it and
Oh, these people are
remind it.
Jewish.
to
Look at
you.
that yellow.
My head is hurting.
Yeah,
Also
it's
tough.
I laugh so hard to say. Oh god. Oh my god, in a Barrie. I laugh so hard in a Barrie.
In a bar.
To the point
Oh,
where the
yes,
head
they're
is
drawing.
hurting me.
We're
It's
almost
hurting.
at our
We're almost
destination.
at our
Yard.
final Did you learn something today? Did you learn something?
They learned from
They
lasanga.
learned.
Yeah,
and
see, that's
liquida
another one.
And debris.
Learnt.
Stop it! Stop it!
It's true.
Stop it!
It's true.
Oh my god!
I learned.
Turnt.
I learned.
Oh my god. I'm in pain.
I'm done.
Oh
come
my
on now.
god, no.
You know what's West
Lit.
Indian? You know what's West Indian is? We do not say
Lit.
tree. We say
Tree. Well,
That's Caribbean.
But that's
it's
it.
Caribbean.
But that's
It's a
it.
beautiful thing.
But we can spell it
that's it,
though.
But we can spell it. Thank
don't-
you.
yeah.
Aye.
We won't spell it T-R-E-E. We'll
And
spell
need
it
the number.
T-H-R-E-E. And we'll say it's tree.
Tree.
Ah, good. And when we see certificate, we don't have to spell it, but we say certificate. And when we see film, F-I-L-M, we pronounce it flim.
Wait, not
So it's
all
okay.
the Caribbean islands they say flim. You understand? Not all of them. Not all of them. Just a few, but not all of them.
What's happening?
This man is getting
Oh,
out
we
of
come
his-
to a
She
full-
is attempt like this is the brilliance
You
of
dropped your sweater.
no
She
this
got it.
this is the brilliance of this particular driver right here. Before she waits until these guys pass, she squeezes herself past this big old trailer.
Trailer load.
Trailer load. Trailer load, trailer load, trailer load.
Cut out.
Girls every
Okay, we sing.
La, la, la,
Are we
la,
not
la,
starting?
oh.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
It's just
I was
the
like, cut,
music
cut.
itself.
Cut, cut.
It's just the music itself.
Oh my. Mm-hmm.
Save my life.
Sometimes DJ save my life.
Hey.
My DJ save my life.
All right, people, we're gonna sign off. Remember,
Hold on. Hi.
Wow. For real, bro. Like,
Hello.
we're trying to end off
Yo.
a video.
I know.
bro.
Hello.
So disrespectful, bro.
wow,
Hello. Oh, wait. Whoops. Hello. Sorry. I am not. I was
So
driving, but
so
I'm
we're
parked
gonna
now.
come off the
So,
conversation.
hello for anyone. I did pull into my driveway, and now I'm on the phone. Yeah, not to think of video. I was not driving and talking on my phone.
Let me to
Hello.
makeup artist. Remember, above average,
How
above
are you?
average
Makeup artistry.
makeup artistry
You
on
good?
Facebook and
Miss
exclusively
Queenie.
for you, exclusively
Are you
you.
good?
Look up, it's
Exclusively.
X, not EX.
What you
It's
doing?
X, exclusively you. Facebook.
Oh, you're not coming by to
Archer,
say hi?
Beth, BB Boyce.
Are you not coming by to say hi?
All right. And me, you know, Natalie
AKA
Camille.
Deborah.
Why?
Liquid. Layton.
You're not coming?